have the camera on here. We just decided that after about a year layoff, it's time that we should make another picture of our family now that we've grown up about a year longer, and we just wanted to get an opportunity to get Heidi in, that she's really getting to be a lot bigger, and see what's going on. Carol, what do you have to say right now?
Did you say what date it is today?
It's May 3rd, 1985.
That's right. Heidi will be 2 in 2 more months. And she's been a real blanket baby. Heidi, come and show them that you like your blanket. The one with the animals on it. See this blanket Grandma Scootin' in? Show them how much you love the blanket. Can you hug the blanket? Kiss the blanket? Can you stand here? Can you kiss the blanket? Say blanket. Can you say blanket, Heidi? Blanket. Okay, come here and say blanket. Come here, Heidi. Come on. Come here. Can you talk to Mommy and Daddy? Daddy. Can you say blanket? Blanket. She's saying all kinds of words and starting to talk in sentences. And she likes to scream while she's in her high chair. And everything is no, and I come in the bedroom a lot of the times and I want to get her out of bed, and instead of being her own cheerful self, I'll walk in the room and she says, no. See? There you are, Heidi, saying That's her famous words. And she wants to be potty trained so bad. She's always wanting to go to the potty. And she knows when she needs her diaper changed, so I've got to get potty training her because she really is ready. And she's been good. At 16 months old, she went potty in the potty chair a lot. But now it's just a game. You take off your clothes and you just run around the house. You don't want to sit on the potty. You just like to run around naked. So pretty soon we'll get you potty trained, Heidi. Pretty soon we'll get you potty trained.
What's been happening in our life lately is we've joined Pac West, which is a racquetball club, and we've just been having fun going swimming, and I've just lost 20 pounds by working out in the morning and the evening, and we've just been having a real good time there lately. I just met a guy by the name of Duco that I'm talking to him about going into commercial real estate. I've just only been in residential real estate since basically December of '84, and now it's May of '85, so about 5 months, and I've really been doing very well lately. I sold, basically involved in about 13 different sales, and I just sold 5 houses last month, so I'm feeling very good about that. We've just been having a real good time of spiritual growth lately. I've just started to spend a half day in prayer a day, and Carolyn and I think, are really growing more and more in love. Aren't we, Carolyn?
Yes, we have a very good relationship.
That's good.
It's very loving and very exciting. It's very nice.
We feel very fortunate, the relationship we do have.
Amen.
So,
God is blessing us.
and we've decided to stay in our house on 44th Avenue, and just to do some remodeling recently on it. We had a guy here today bidding on the cabinets and everything, and it's really been fun to see how the Lord has really been blessing us, and we really want Him to give Him all the glory, because He sure is the provider of all. So we have Julie, who is just getting to be a real leader at the daycare, and she's going to Stein Preschool, which is
No, Heidi. Don't touch. No.
Heidi, no. Heidi, come here. Munchkin.
Can you say grandma?
Grandma.
Can you say grandpa?
Grandma.
Good. You say grandma and grandpa. Can you say Ian? What?
Edie.
Did you say Ian?
She said Edie.
Say it again.
Edie.
Right! You say it so cute. Instead of saying Ian, you say Amy. Can you say Ryan?
Mama.
Good. Can you say Julie?
Lovely.
Julie, that's getting good.
Daddy.
Can you say Daddy? Can you say Mommy?
Mommy.
Can you say Daddy?
Daddy.
That's Daddy. Is that Daddy on TV?
Can you see me?
No.
Can you say hello, Daddy?
Hello.
Hello, Daddy.
Oh.
What were you
No.
saying now? Oh, we're talking about Julie. She's going to Stein.
And we're going to enroll her in Snohomish County Christian School for first year. That's where Juanita teaches, which is the sister-in-law. Sister-in-law?
Sister-in-law, sister.
Sister-in-law, sister.
Sister-in-law.
So we really feel good about that decision. We talked to the principal and we talked about that. You know, is public school ever right for children? That that they're going to in public schools they teach more right now what's called the moral majority. No, it's called humanism is what it's called. And to ever have your kids taught under a world system is. The principal didn't think that was ever right, and that's how I think we're starting to think now. And it's really been a good time. I think we're just starting to achieve financially some of the things that we wanted to do. We're starting to think about remodeling the home and
Have the furniture clean.
have
The drapes clean.
drapes clean, and just do some things that we feel that really have been needed.
So we can go on with our spiritual goals, and that's really ministering to a lot of people and having a lot of people in our home and just feeling free not to worry about materialism, but to really concentrate on growing spiritually and loving other people. That's our goals right now.
Mommy, can I talk?
Yes, Julie, you've been so good sitting here waiting your turn. Now it's your turn.
You know what, TV?
TV says what?
Kitty. What, Kitty? I know about the school they were talking about. We do have show and tell. And we're reading already. And we're not in kindergarten. We're supposed to do it in kindergarten, right, Mama?
Yeah, so you're way ahead. You can read the book called
Daddy.
Maps, huh?
And you know what? The TV's big.
What?
What did I say now, TV?
I think that for the finale we're going to have 2 airplanes. That seems to be the overriding theme in our thing. So we're going to have Julie the airplane first. Okay, are you ready?
Okay. Then my daddy. Put my daddy down.
Can you make it sound like an airplane?
Hold it up there and still for me. Right where it's good. Tell her to look up into the camera.
Look up into the camera. Look up into the camera. There you go.
And smile real pretty and lift your eyes up and look.
Look with that camera up there. Now it's time for Heidi.
Heidi, do you want to be an airplane?
Airplane.
Look at Heidi go. Here comes Heidi. Mommy kiss. I want a kiss.
She can make face.
Kiss. That's a good kiss, Heidi.
Let's all hug.
She's making some noise.
Julie, can you hug in here with all of us? Here, you hug over here. I'm so lucky to have 3 wonderful women in my household, 3 wonderful girls, and I love them all. I have Mommy, I have Heidi,
Whoops. Heidi, are you okay?
and I have Julie, and I love them so much. Heidi, and Julie, and Mamo.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Let me get Heidi's blanket. I gotta show everybody this is how I put Heidi to bed every night at this age. I put the blanket on my shoulder and then she lays and sucks her thumb. And I would say, la la la. La, la, and then I go, and she laughs. I do this every night. She puts her neck back because she knows I'm going to do it, and she loves it. I'm going to eat you. And then I go like this. And she laughs and laughs and
Okay.
And then she picks my face to pieces. Owie. Where's my eyes?
And then I climb up, Daddy.
What's that, Heidi? My
Then
eyes.
I go up. He
Eyes.
goes.
Owie.
And then I sit down. And I go. And then I'm going to can't see me anymore.
Okay, well this is
Ow.
the night of May 3rd, and we're just asked for God's special blessing upon our household. We know that all things good come from God, and we just praise God for His wonderful provision in our family. We just feel so lucky. I know that Carolyn is really the woman that God has given me, and the 2 children are definitely given by God, and I just praise Him. Thank you. Thank you for watching this deluxe presentation about
to the TV
the Peterson family.